Hi guys, Dog Fang Gaming here. Today, I'm in my house with my mother and father. Holy shit. Well, this is my day today. Like, today I'm just gonna do for my vloggings and stuff.
Press start.
Like, this is my room. Oh my gosh, check this out. Even though I'm still young, my mom and dad gave me my brother's room. This is supposed to be my brother's, and it's now mine. Anyways, okay, today we're just gonna do some my room tour and stuff. Like this is where I'll put my t-shirts in. This is where I'll put my t-shirts, and this is where I put my hair and do my hair stuff and stuff like that. Also, this is where I usually go and take a piss or anything. This is my bathroom. I'm just playing, watching all my stuff and stuff. Then that's all. And also these are my stuff that I usually use to go anyway. Well, this is my TV. What the hell? My mom didn't give me a flat screen. It's supposed to be my flat screen. The flat screen. No. Instead they put my flat screen in my brother's room anyways. That's all. So, anyways,